Hi, my name is Kelsey Hicks, and this is my personal reflection video for session 3 of our interactive communications course at CCU. I'm going to be reflecting on my relationship with myself, my relationship with God, and my relationships with others. My relationship with myself in this class, I have already known that I was introverted because I've taken a Myers-Briggs personality test a few times, but I had never taken the introverted-extroverted test that we took in session 1 on the Psychology Today website. And it was really shocking to me to see that my sociability score was only a 17. And I definitely thought that I was more social than that. So that was kind of an eye-opener to me, but I do know that I need to work on fostering more relationships. One thing that I excel at is listening and empathy. Verbally communicating is not my strong point, but definitely listening is. And that is covered in our Real Relationships book by Les and Leslie Parrott. On page 85, they talk about, get this here, listeners. So they say some people are especially skilled at opening others up. They readily elicit intimacy because they listen well. And that's definitely something that I relate to. I can get anybody to talk to me about some of their most intimate details. Even at the grocery store, cashiers, people that I see in passing are very confident in telling me what's going on with their lives. So that's just a skill that I have and that God has gifted me with. And also empathy, just understanding where they're coming from and just listening and giving them that freedom to say what they mean. So yeah, definitely empathizing, seeing their perspective, and listening are strong suits of mine. One thing I've been struggling with in this course is my perfectionism and trying to get myself on a schedule so that I am not striving for perfection, but just submitting something that's good. It's caused me to procrastinate a lot in this class and has caused me a lot of stress and anxiety, if I'm being completely honest. My relationship with God, I have been struggling with my relationship with God just because I'm going through something very personal with my medical situation. And I am struggling to speak to him about it because I'm so frustrated with the circumstances, not necessarily with him, but just with the circumstances. And Larry Crabb talks about that in his book, Understanding Who You Are, on page 32. And he also talks about how we have anger at ourselves. And definitely with my medical condition, I have felt that anger at myself. Definitely blaming myself for what's happening with me that's completely out of my control. And because it's out of my control, I feel that I need someone to blame. And I know that I can't blame God, so I blame myself. But I would like to take it more to him and talk to him about it rather than just letting my mind run wild with its own theories. And then my relationship with others, I definitely don't have any very close friends. My closest friend is my sister, and we talk every single day, and I definitely have a great relationship with her. But I, just as Larry Crabb was saying, having anger at myself, he talks about how people often say, like, what's wrong with me that makes everybody turn away? Even my own father rejects me. And that is something that I have struggled with in my relationships. And I think it's almost a self-fulfilling prophecy if you want those relationships and you want to foster them, but you're scared that they're going to fail. For some reason, that fear of them failing causes you to do things that would turn people away from you. So I am not dedicated to my friends, and that is something that I need to work on. I value loyalty, but I definitely am not dedicated. And so that's something that I definitely want to work on. and grow in order to foster my relationships in the future. So thank you so much for your time, and that's it for my video.